Our mission is to totally change how students experience college by involving them in cutting-edge research, promoting innovative thinking, and pushing the boundary of research.
Undergraduate research, to me, is one of those very important high-impact experiences that adds to their classroom knowledge. It's something outside the classroom that really builds the experience, skills, maturity of a student to understand a new topic that they're interested in.
Undergraduate research has really allowed me to dive further into these topics that I'm learning about in my courses and see firsthand how they work rather than just on a screen. I love science, obviously, and I love lab work, and so pursuing research is really what I want to do.
I think all research is important for all disciplines. I think research, especially at an undergraduate level where there's somewhat less pressure, is really great for developing soft skills of communication, at least in my field, a lot of analytical skills, and getting to work on, statistics and things that you don't get introduced to in an undergrad field.
We also have a program called Undergraduate Research Fellowship. About 100 students each year they are selected to go into a deep dive journey on research. And they write a proposal, and if they're awarded, they get some fellowship as well as some money for their research. And faculty get a fresh perspective on their work, and they help growing their team research.
You get to sit with your own ideas and what you really want to do, and you get to change things, and it's a really creative process.
It helps to connect it all from what they learn in class into putting into real life situation.
For me, the most rewarding part is just finding out how much I love research. And so having the opportunity to work here at Auburn has really just shown a new light for me, and really just shown me what my passions are, what my goals are.